maselosa sa inyong dalawa? Truth or dare?
I think ako mas selosa.
Mas selosa si Heaven for her. How about you, Marcos? Sino? May karapatan. May karapatan. Okay. Pa-mic daw po kasi hindi nila marinig yung mga ganung moments. Okay, sige. Worst experience mo sa show business? Truth or dare? Pag hindi nila nasagot in 10 seconds, there.
It's like definitely multiple ones, like you know, messing up on stage or stuff like that. But it's not the worst. I think the worst, and until now, until today, I really find hard to do and to get used to it. It's like trusting people in show business when you think they're a certain way and they're just not, you know. And you know, it's just hard. It's just hard to trust people in show business, definitely.
Why do you say that?
Why do you say that?
Why do I say that? Well, I came from Italy. I was a student there. I just had a normal life, and how I treated my classmates at that time and my friends from childhood, that's how I try to treat people that I meet here in show business, you know. But then, almost every single time, I just get stabbed in the back, or like I hear people talking and other stuff, and you know, they're a certain way in front of your face and then they're not behind you, and it's just tiring in a way sometimes, because it's like you give people the benefit of the doubt, you believe that they're good people when eventually they're not, and they just show their true colors. So I think that's probably the worst part of being in this business.
How do you cope with that kind of mindset?
How do I cope? I think that's what I'm still trying to figure out, because I always have a hard time with that, and I end up being sad about it. But then it's like life, you know. People come along the way, and you just let them go, and then you know, you get used to it. Gym is therapy for me. Writing, doing stuff that I like, and I think the way I cope with it, really, it's just cut people off. Like before, I would try to like understand why they would do that. You know, we had such a good time. Why are you doing this to me? But it doesn't matter anymore. Like if you want to be part of my life, then you know, be in it. If not, then fuck off. You know.
What's the worst thing that they said behind your back?
What's the worst thing that they said behind my back?
Truth or dare?
I think they just made me look bad, like, you know, how unreliable I was, or like stuff like that, when they would literally try to twist things around, when those were the people that were like that. So you know, it's whatever, honestly. Like, if people close to me know me, that's what matters to me, and you know, I'll be there for the ones that want to be in my life. Yeah.
How about you, Heaven? Worst experience mo sa showbiz?
I don't think like meron akong worst experience for showbiz. More of like, definitely make something good and something bad, you know, in every parang job that you have. Mahal ko yung trabaho ko. And so whatever comes with it, may it be good or may it be bad, parang I accept it and I learn from it. So yeah, I like whatever is going on in my life right now. So yeah.
Thank you, Heaven. Ay, pinaka-unprofessional na katrabaho. Truth or dare? Truth or dare? Dare. Okay. Okay, number 2 daw, next. Number 2. Ay, okay. 3 funny faces. Okay, sino mauna? Sabay. Okay, first funny face. Number 1. Okay. Number 2. last, number 3. Oh. Okay, thank you Marco. Sa traffic na na-experience natin ngayong moment na to. Willing ba kayo makipag-relationship sa nasa kabilang dulo ng Metro Manila, which is, could be Alabang or QC? Willing ba kayo na nasa QC ka, tapos nasa Alabang siya, or vice versa?
I mean, again, like I posted on my feed post, to me distance doesn't matter, and especially if it's for heaven, I don't care. Wherever it is, like, I'll do it. I don't know up to you, but...
Willing siyang tumawid ng EDSA.
Alam mo, kanina ko pa pinag-iisipan yung tanong na yan. Kasi kahit kanina rin, tanong din yan dun sa first labas namin. And I always say it does, you know, parang, kasi dahil clingy ako as a person.
So, sabi ni Marco siya daw. Sabi ni Heaven siya.
I think it takes two to tango.
So, parehas magaling, you know? Yung pala yun. It's a tayo daw po. Okay, next question. Oh, may gusto kang sabihin. Ano gusto sabihin nyo?
Hindi, meron kasi, okay, just so you know, meron kaming, after ng movie, meron siyang Japan, meron akong Boracay.
And then, I'm gonna be working on a project next month. So, baka matagal-tagal pa, no? Tsaka mag-iipon muna. Kailangan muna ng pera pang-gastos. So, I think it's gonna take time.
Marco, same? Same.
Like she said, I'm going to Japan. She's gonna have work after her Boracay trip. Yeah, I always tell her, like, whenever she wants to go, we can go. Ito yung busy girl. What can we do? Yeah.
Ako na ako next ano.
Okay, katrabaho nyo. Truth or dare?
Parang
Dare, okay. Number po, number.
One.
Number 1 dare, Nix.
Sing a song that reminds you of heaven or Mars.
Okay. Okay, sino mo una? Sing a song that reminds you of each other. Okay, pabigyan po ng mic si Heaven at Marco. Nix. What?
I'm
No.
falling in love. Oh no, I'm falling in love again. Oh, I'm falling in love. Na 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 na. Yan, by Taylor Swift.
Ah.
Honestly, I was actually thinking the same.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that was our song, no? When we were falling in love. We had to...
There yun eh, kantahin mo daw.
Kanta. Kanta na yan.
Okay, there you go, then that one. But yeah, Labyrinth by Taylor Swift.
Oh, question. Ayun na ba? Truth or dare? Dare! Ma'am, ano pong number? 1 to 15? Ano pong number? From 1 to 15? Ay, nasa na. Number 5. Ay, nasabi ko rin. Number 3.
Show the most embarrassing photo on your phone.
Most embarrassing photo, kahit ano, sa phone nyo. Nagpaalam na si Marco. Okay, Marco, yan natin ang pag-zoom ng mga video.
Okay, this was after our interviews that we had for what project was that? Ship Show. So there was this day that we had Ship Show, and then we spent the whole day, and then we cooked dinner, and after dinner there was a I don't know why we were listening to this song.
Kasi you were talking, I was like singing.
Tapos
nagloloko ko nung kaap.
Yeah, mukha siyang di ba? Judge mo.
Monster yun
Okay. Ready na pag-zoom.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, okay? If you guys want to get closer or whatever.
Dadaling ko dito yan. Ayan. Video, oh. Go.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Ay, wala. Oh, gumanti ka.
Wait lang. Forward natin. So, kumakanta si Marco. Okay.
Hindi, ipapakita din natin yan dito sa ano.
Napakita natin.